guys, welcome back to another video. This video is another collab with the amazing Glitter and Sparkle manicure, the lovely Stacy here on YouTube. We are doing a nude set with a cat's eye French, so that's what we're going for. So I am using, I think I'm using Peachable. I think that's what I'm using. I'm also using my Kirsty meakin size 10 Mr. Buttons brush. Fabulous brush. The tips are from AliExpress and the hand is from Glitter Planet. I'll also leave the link to Glitter and Sparkle manicure YouTube channel in the drop down box, and with a list of everything that I've used. So yeah, so let's just carry on with the thing. You may hear my granddaughter in the background. I have her today, so be quiet, madam. She's eating her breakfast. I wasn't happy with the overall look of these. They could have been really beautiful, but I don't know, the cover just didn't. I don't know if it was because of the tips or something. They just, and I put two, when I done 2 layers of core powder, and it still didn't. The coverage wasn't brilliant. So I think it was just down to me. I was having an off day. My eyes were swollen because I've got hay fever. So I was struggling to actually see. I think I do go out of frame a bit as well. So I do apologise for that. Who else suffers with hay fever? I know I do. It's not just my eyes. I normally get my nose, my ears. I get an itchy throat. At the moment it's just sore eyes, and obviously I need my vision to be able to see what I'm doing. So yeah, so the application on these was not the best at all. You can see there that they still are quite see-through. I should have took the smile line up a little bit higher. I think that's probably what the issue was. So yeah, so we're using the 5D cat's eye from Halo. Now normally when I do the cat's eye, I do normally put black polish down first. But then I didn't want the overall look of the nail to look fat and bulky. So I just opted for two of the cat's eye and hoped for the best. It did work, but I just don't think it was as effective as it would have been if the black gel was down first and then the 2 coats of the cat's eye. But the overall look, they turned out okay, but I'm really not happy at all with them. I tried the one nail first and I just want to see if I can get it to look how I want it to look. It weren't too bad, but again it still would have been better with the black down. So yeah, I mean I did have the black there, but I just didn't use it. So the magnet that I'm using is almost gives like a flower effect. So yeah. So it's just a little cheap thing. You can't really see the effect that it's giving here because my lighting's off. I just don't know why. But yeah, you can see here I'm going out of shot. Like, so I do apologise about that. You'll be able to see now that the effect, it didn't come out as good as it would have if I had put black down first. So yeah, but I just continued on, done exactly the same. and yeah, we'll see the finished result afterwards. So I'm just going to let you watch, and I'll come back in towards the end. Excuse the tips hanging off. I've run out of my usual tips and I'm just waiting for them to come from AliExpress. So the tips that I've got in, that these tips are sitting on, are smaller than what I would normally use, so they keep popping out. But yeah, you will see the effect a little bit better once I finish top coating. Just want to say thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Thank you again to Glitter and Sparkle Manicure for another collab. Look forward to the next one again. So yeah, if you haven't already, please give her a follow, and if you haven't followed me, or should I say subscribe to me, please do. I really do appreciate it. It means the world to me that, you know, I have people that are watching. So thanks, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.